Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I will be showing you a common issue faced by iPhone users, that is WhatsApp images, videos and documents not showing in Gallery iPhone. It can be frustrating when you can't access your media's files easily, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump into the solutions. So what I want you to do is launch your WhatsApp and then tap on the gear-like icon present on the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on the settings page, tap on chats, then enable the save to camera roll toggle button. After that, go and open your settings app, look for privacy and security, tap on it, and then tap on photos. Here, go to WhatsApp, select the option of full access and tap on allow full access. Doing this, you will now successfully be able to download all the images, medias, documents and files in your gallery of your iPhone. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.